Hello everyone, this is Levens and today we are going to study social science for class 4, chapter 7, our soils. So this is the third video of this chapter and today we are going to study on the topic soil conservation. So what is soil conservation? It is the method to prevent the loss of soil from its place or areas and regions. Or in the other words, soil conservation is to hold the soil in its place. Roots of plants and grass hold the soil. That's why plantation is very important. Now we will see some methods of soil conservation. First is tree plantation. Planting rows of trees prevent and protect the field in the desert and plain areas from the soil erosion. Here you see the beautiful greenery, trees and plants. Second is plant grazing. This is another method of soil conservation. Soil erosion takes place due to intensive grazing in one particular area. But soil erosion can be stopped and reduced when livestock like sheep, goats and other animals are to be better organized and grazing is done systematically. There should be sufficient and adequate time to recover plants. And third is small and large dams. Soil can be conserved by building a small and large dams. Water is gathered in one place. It also controls floods. Here you see how water is stored in one place and soil erosion is prevented. And fourth is contour plowing and farming. For erosion control, contour cultivation is better than up and down slope plantation. The crop is planted in rows that follows the contour line and therefore it acts as a barrier to runoff water and sediment. Here you see the beautiful contour method of farming in the hill area. And fifth method is terrace farming. This farming is done in the hilly and slopey areas. People make steps to cultivate different crops. These methods retains water and prevent soil erosion. Cultivation on slopes without terracing or steps leads to soil erosion. Here you see the beautiful terrace farming method. And sixth is stone wall to prevent soil erosion. This is the another methods of the soil conservation. Erosion can be stopped by making a stone wall. It is a suitable land for farming and preventing soil erosion. Here you see the stone walls. It is made to prevent soil erosion and to conserve soil. So these are some of the methods of soil conservation. We have to practice these methods in our day-to-day life to prevent soil erosion and conserve our beautiful soils. Therefore, healthy soils are full of life. Thank you very much.